Beautiful it is. A family weekend. Well, Saturday market. I just come across this. Wonderful. Fantastic. Saturday market. Look at the giant Japanese kids in this little playground with their parents. I don't want to film the little kid behind me who's got a smart device in his hand. Well, it's more like the parents' little guardian. That little kid growing up has no connection to the reality or existential realities on this planet. Those kids touching the sand, getting soiled, being messed up, on the swing with the parents, are going to be profoundly raised with such importance of conscious responsibility. And they'll know playing out there in the reality will get themselves dirty and messed up. And they'll know what are the dangers and risks in every step they make. As a parent, you could only make a sharp mind, hard body, a soft heart. That's all you can do, because in the name of so-called technological age, somewhere someone is going to groom you regardless. Just like what they've been doing at the monasteries in Portugal. There's 5,000 pedophilia cases going on at the moment. Anyhow, that's for some other conversation there.